Hey YouTubers. Okay, so project of the day is, first mate, what are you doing today?
I'm going to finally cover these cushions.
Cushion covering time.
Yeah.
We've got these all cut out and put into place, kind of mocked up, and we'll be finishing that up too this weekend. And there's another thing which I'm going to install. A Dometic drawer refrigerator we just bought. This is going to be mounted, this is just a secondary refrigerator to make it easier to get things in and out of. We may turn the cold plate area into just a freezer. But I'm going to clean out under the nav station, and that's going to be mounted right here. Eventually we're going to put a cabinet door over the other part of it. But that's my project for the day. So updates as we progress. So first mate, what are you doing right now?
Making piping for the cushions.
Looks like it's coming out pretty good.
We'll see.
And the sailboat machine came with the proper foot for making piping.
Yeah, it came with
built in.
Yeah.
Okay, and she's got all the cushion pieces cut out too, so she's about ready to put them all together. Okay, YouTube friends, well, let me show you what we bought at West Marine. This is the Dometic, I believe it's a CD030, a drawer refrigerator. I've not hooked it up yet. It's going to go under the nav station right here. I've gone ahead and cut some spacers to go up underneath there, and I'm going to put these in and get this thing put in and wired in and get her tested. We'll see how she does. Okay, YouTube buds, well, pay no attention to the mess. We're still cleaning up and recovering. So I got it mounted. It's got L brackets. Because this goes up about 1 3/4 inches up in here, and this fascia comes down, I had to put some blocks. I just used 2x4s in there to kind of shim it and bring it down. But yeah, wired it in, and it is doing about 36 degrees in there. So far it's working great. We'll keep you posted, and I'll do maybe a full review of this in the future, as soon as we have some time with it and we got a good feeling about it.